Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Vaishnavi Jairam from New Delhi. I came to Milan Hospital, JP Nagar to pursue a fellowship National Board in Reproductive Medicine, which is a 2-year course under the National Board of Examinations. So I joined Milan JP Nagar branch in April 2023, and over these 2 years, I've had a really good exposure to all aspects of infertility, right from the basic cases to the in-depth analysis of the complex and the challenging cases. So Milan being a tertiary care center, we had a really good exposure to all the different kinds of cases, and we had an excellent faculty here guiding us in the management and giving us a good hands-on to ultrasound also. So I really enjoyed the ultrasound exposure that we had here, which included a 2D as well as a 3D ultrasound experience. So that gave us confidence in doing all the gynecological scans as well as the early pregnancy scans. The OT exposure in terms of laparoscopy and endoscopy, and also the IVF OT exposure in terms of oocyte pickups and embryo transfers was also really good. And we have a really good exposure here to the andrology as well as the embryology lab facilities. I particularly like that because seeing how the andrology and embryology lab functions gives us a better understanding of what actually happens in an ART clinic and helps us in increasing our knowledge and improving the patient care. Also, when it comes to the academic exposure, it is really good here in Milan. They have very organized classes and an expert faculty which gives us their inputs on all the difficult aspects which we might not be able to understand on our own. And one thing in particular that I liked here was that we had like the specialist faculties also guiding us in the challenging cases. For example, if we had any class on genetics, we always had a geneticist to give us their inputs. Same if we had a class on immunology, we had an immunologist assigned who was in the class and they gave us their inputs. So listening to all these super specialists, their inputs really helped us in understanding and learning how to manage the challenging cases. And the consultants here are very, very friendly. So we could go to them anytime we wanted to ask our doubts. And they were always pro research also. They always encouraged us to do research work and also to participate in conferences and present papers. So that was also one thing which I found very interesting here. So overall in these 2 years, I think my knowledge for in infertility has been really good and it has expanded. And I think like I have no complaints. So I'm really happy the way I had my exposure here for 2 years. Thank you.